Good day to everyone. My name is Tan Wei Yan, and today I'll be presenting the business plan for SYAFIQ printing. Thank you for taking your time to join me in this session. For introduction, the SYAFIQ printing is poised to revolutionize the manufacturing landscape in Malaysia with its innovative approach to additive manufacturing. The focus is to aim at the innovation, sustainability, and customer-centric solutions. Other than that, the mission is to redefine manufacturing standards in Malaysia and beyond, such as the Industry Revolution 4.0. So for this company background, first one is the business name. Why I choose the Excel 3D printing? Because I want to make the business very excel at this current field, the 3D printing. Next is the location. I choose the location starting at the Petaling Jaya, Selangor, because the place is very strategic to expand the businesses, because it's like near to the industrial area or the school area. Next is type of the business. This type of business is sole proprietorship, which is a one owner only. Then next is a service offer. I offer the customized products, prototypes, small scale manufacturing, and other 3D related services. I'm Tan Wei Yan, the owner of the Excel 3D printing. So my educational level is a diploma in mechanical technology, which is the CAD manufacturing in the IKTBN Sepang. Next, for the current education, I'm currently studying the bachelor degree of the technology in industrial machining, which is located in the UTM, Melaka, University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. So for the years of experience, I have 2 years of experience in the 3D printing and manufacturing industry. So I have a good understanding of the market and the technological advancement necessary to drive the business forward. So for my vision is to make the Excel 3D printing a leader in the industry through innovation and customer-centric solutions. Next is the business location. So the location of my business will be set up on the Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Malaysia. Why? Because it can be reached by the public transport, such as the MRT, the bus service, and you also can order the e-hailing service, such as the Grab, to reach the location. It's pretty convenient. Next, the business location is located in the town area, which has a lot of the school and industrial zone, which enabling me to increase the potential customer to boost my sales. So for the factors for selecting the business, first of all, is the steady growth of the additive manufacturing in Malaysia. So there are a trend of the people starting to do the 3D printing business because it can be started by the low capital, which doesn't need a lot of money to starting with. Next is to encourage people to try the 3D printing. It is an interesting hobby that you can learn, and then you can try to print the product by the 3D printing. Last of all is the convenience. So starting this business to let the people easy to fabricate their product by 3D printing and doesn't need a lot of cost to make a product of it. So for the target audience, there are 2 types of the category, which is the entrepreneur and the students. Entrepreneurs, I can choose mostly related to the healthcare, automotive, and other related industries to help them fabricate their product by 3D printing it. And then by this, they can lower their cost and speed up their development speed and the progress. Next is the students. So students, they can develop their skills and learning this new hobby of the 3D printing to improve their hands-on skill. So for the marketing plan, the main objective is to attract the customers, to build a partnership with them, and then showing our expertise to the industry, and then we'll be forming the available partnerships, engaging with the community. So to achieve this, we will be ongoing with the online visibilities, the networking, referral, and the content creation. So by this, we'll be like increasing our presence in the social media to attract more customers and then increasing the lead and the potential customer. So for budget for this marketing plan, we'll be using 1,000 ringgit Malaysia to utilize this cost by doing the AdWords either locally or the online method. Next is the operational plan. So for the production activity, this business will be mainly focused on producing the 3D printing products, doing the development on the current industry, and then there'll be the workshop lesson for those who want to learn the 3D printing skills. Next is the equipment. There will be 3 machines used in this business, which is the FDM printers, around 4,000 ringgit, and then the SLF printers for 2,500 ringgit, and then the lastly is the SLS printer, which is 3,000 ringgit. For the manpower, there'll be only one person, which is me, the owner, for overseeing all the operation and which is including the production, financial, admin, and other works. Now we're moving on to the financial plan overview. So for the financial input, their initial capital, which is 59,000 ringgit Malaysia. And then for the source of this finance, which is come from the owner's equity, 59,000 ringgit Malaysia also. And then for the project implementation cost, for this business, I'll be buying the machines, the raw materials, office supplies, and other miscellaneous expenses, which is costing around 18,500 ringgit Malaysia. Pro forma cash flow and the income statement for the first year. So as you can see, the first quarter is not doing so well because they are like the starting month. There are not much business coming in. Next is the second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. So as you can see, the net cash flow is like getting lower by the time. So the overall total net cash flow is around 3,700 ringgit, which is lower than what I expected. And then from the income statement, we can see that the sales revenue is around 132,000 ringgit. And then deduct the cost of the goods sold around 80K. Then the gross profit become 52,000. And then minus all the operating expenses, then left around 3,700 ringgit only. This is a huge challenge for me for running this business. Pro forma balance sheet for the first year. So the current assets, which is the cash around 3,200, adding the current inventory 1,500 ringgit, and then the total is like 5,200 ringgit. Then for the fixed asset, which is the machine, all the office equipment, so there'll be around 12,000 ringgit. So overall is the total asset is the 17,200 ringgit Malaysia. Then the financial analysis. So as you can see, the break-even analysis, they are the fixed cost, the selling price, the variable cost, and then from the equation, we can see that the break-even point is like 1,600 units. Then next is the profitability. So for the first year, there's a very low, very big amount, which is 3,700 ringgit due to the low sale and the barely pass to the break-even point. Then last of all is the liquidity. This is remain positive throughout the year, which is the sufficient fund to cover the operation cost. So for the conclusion, the XL3D printing is leading the revolution of the forefront of the additive manufacturing in Malaysia. Then the innovative solution, which is the high quality, customized products, and the diverse industry in this 3D printing. Next is the strategic advantage. So it has a robust manufacturing sector, which is leveraging Malaysia's supportive environment, and it has the state-of-the-art technology, which is the advanced facility and the skilled workforce by myself. Next is the commitment to excellence. It has the sustainability to responsible production, practices for a greener future. Then the customer-centric approach for the empowering businesses with comprehensive and end-to-end solutions. Last of all is the driving success. So in the industry 4.0, it can be the streamlining manufacturing and reducing time to market, and then it can helping the clients to excel in Malaysia and beyond. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a good day.